Oh, that's right. Hyliion merger's coming up September 28th. Are you excited? I know I'm excited. Let's go. I know why you're here. You're here to get that money. Get that money. Hey everyone, Nostradamus here. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're not, you know what's up. Hey, today, yeah, that's right. Today we're going to talk about that Hyliion merger. And we're going to talk about how you can crush it with options. There's a lot of you out there. I know you're hungering for that big money in the options. And I'm going to go over that today. So let's get right into it. Hey, so what do you all think of this natural lighting I got? It's pretty sick, huh? You know what that is, man? That is the apocalypse happened. I'm in the Central Valley of California. It looks like nuclear winter out there, smoke, whatever. You guys don't care, but it's crazy, right? Anyway, before we get into it, again, I want to really say how much I appreciate all the support you're showing. I really have a lot of things in mind. I'd really like to hear your advice. I got some video ideas for the weekend, and I want to post in the comment section below what you would like to hear about. One of the video ideas I have is you're an idiot if you're investing in Nikola. I know I need to work on that title a little bit. Maybe you can help workshop that one. Another one I'm working on is possibly like you're insane if you're investing in KCAC. A little less offensive, so help me workshop that. Let me know what you're thinking. I really do want to put a video out there for, and even an entire series for investing for beginners. And I'm going to be doing that with the M1 Finance app, which I think is hands down the best option out there if you're just getting into it for a few reasons. And I want to get into that. Again, I really appreciate it. Much love. Comment down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Twitter, and let's get into making some money in Hyliion. So I want to kind of give you a theme I've been seeing happening, and that's, there's a lot of you out there, and there's just a very common theme of trying to hit it big on options. And I want to get into why I think buying options is a really bad idea. Oh no, here we go, clickbait. Oh my God, no, there's ways to make money with options. And in my opinion, it's not buying options. If you're an options buyer, maybe you want to bail now, but I urge you to stick around. There's some things I'm going to teach you. There's some things you need to hear. And, actually, let's give you a little story. So I watch a lot of YouTube videos. There's a lot of great people out there that I really like listening to. They give a lot of really solid advice. As maybe my career grows, maybe I can even collab with them, like Nikola Finance. I really like that guy. The Stealth Wealth Investing guy. I should go get my sunglasses, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so, and then there's just some I won't mention any names, but there's one investor out there, and some of you might be able to figure it out. Don't post below. I don't want any hate. I wish the guy all the best. He reminds me of myself when I was younger. I was naive. I thought I had it figured out, buying options, man, but I'm telling you, this is a game that is almost impossible for you to win at. Most of you are going to blow your account up. I'm going to go into some math here. I'm going to show you some much better ways. I'm going to try and keep this short, good bite size, good information, great information here. But I mean, this dude, his account, I want to say he's been in this game for just this year, right? And he's already doubled his account. And as far as I could tell, he bought 16 call options in Hyliion, and he's already 4 or 5x'd it. He did it around probably below 20 bucks. He's already crushing it, man. But he's holding on to him, and I'm just dude, first of all, you're gonna blow your account up trading like this, but you've already 5x, man. Take some profits off the table. Don't be, all right. Let me stop the ramble. I'm gonna hop over to Tastyworks so we can take a look at some math. I'm gonna give you some examples and some alternatives. I am very bullish on Hyliion. I do not promote option buying. If you haven't figured that out yet, let me say that again. I think option buying is a very risky, if you want to gamble every now and then, I get it, man. I get that. Every now and then I gamble, but you're much better off going and playing blackjack for the most part. There is no edge in buying options, right? It's just not there. So let me hop over to Tastyworks and let's get this going. All right, I've reshot this video a few times. Let's try one more time. I want to keep this quick. You notice I am in a different shirt. It is the next day. Again, I want to redo this. I just want to keep this nice and simple, and I want to show you real quickly why buying options is bad. So let's take a quick look at the SHLL options chain. We're going to go to the October 2nd weekly just as a quick, give you a quick idea. This is right around the time that the SHLL merger might be announced, right? They're having the vote on the 28th. Probably be like right away. A lot of people think this stock is going to skyrocket after that merger. I'm not so sure, right? I really don't know what's going to happen. I have successfully already made a lot of credits with my 100 shares by selling a cash secured put. I've already made a few $100s on. I also sold a 60 call. We'll take a quick look at that. The October 16th. You see I have a 60 call right here. I sold that for around $3.60 credit. This is when SHLL was 40 bucks. So that's kind of gotten away from me. My profits would be capped if SHLL goes over, Hyliion goes over $60 by the October 16th deadline. There was a point where it looked like that was going to happen. Now, if you see, there's only a 25% chance of that happening. Only a 25% chance. So a lot of people out there are thinking, man, let's buy those 60 options. We can really make a lot of money here. Well, look, you're paying a lot of money, a lot of premium. There's call skew. What does that mean, Tom? That means that the calls have more juice in them than the puts. This is the 60, so it's $13 to the upside. You see you pay $7.80. If you go $13 to the downside, which is roughly around the $35 mark, you see it's almost half, right? So all the risk is to the upside. The market knows this merger is happening. It's built into the price. You've got a 25% chance of just touching that, let alone breaking even. And your break even point is going to be the $60 plus the premium you paid, right around $8, which is going to put you right around $70 or $68 just to break even, right? Just to break even, you need to hit $68. And you're looking at like only a 21 to 17% chance just to break even. And newsflash, right? It gets worse than that. The volatility is going to contract. What does that mean? That means the premium is going to be worth a lot less. You're going to have a volatility crush. That thing's going to contract. And your premium is going to be like half, if not more, right? Because the bridge is over. It's over. So it's just it's a bad game, right? So I'm pretty confident that right now the worst thing that can happen to me, it is possible Hyliion could skyrocket. It could hit $70, $80, $90. If it does, man, take profits because it's not going to sustain that. Again, I'm very bullish on this company. I do have a long-term, think it's going to be a successful company. They still got to produce. There's already stuff in the pipeline. They've still got to make money. There's a million things that could go wrong, and then it's over. All right, there we go. I'm sure this video is going to get a lot of hate from a lot of you options buyers. Hey, man, that's just my trading style. If that's your trading style, best of luck to you. I do not think you're going to be successful. Prove me wrong. Subscribe to the channel. Continue to listen to me. I got a lot of great advice. Maybe 6 months down the road, year down the road, you can be like, hey, Tom, look at me, man. You know what I'm saying, dude? Prove me wrong. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I love you all. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you're doing in Hyliion. Tell me what you think of this video. Let me know what you'd like to hear more of. Once again, I got those video ideas on my mind. Catch you all next week. Peace.